Once a heart, see, like right now. I don't get it. Once if Fire's playing the music, she's dropping hearts. And if one of her hearts touches the water, that's when the music start playing. So what I'm really trying to figure out is, and the hearts don't fall just straight down. Okay, like right now, this is like good timing. I gotta press A or B to punch. I think I had good timing to figure out when. Okay, like right now, he's coming this way. Fuck! But you only get one of them shits. And now the game about to be over. And I'm not sure. I can't touch him. But I don't know if I can touch him when he's like, nope, when he's like not moving. Like there has to be a certain amount of assumptions you gotta make. Like, especially if a game doesn't have any rules and you just pick it up and start playing. Okay, boom, come on. Fuck! Like, in the very beginning, he kind of walked past, and if you can kind of time that shit. Because he gonna walk right the fuck back again. He come right back to walk again. Shit. I only got one, bro. Like, I don't know what you're supposed to do. Yeah, it's like game over now. I don't get it. I don't know if I had to punch him from the back of his head or something. But I thought I thought the game was gonna kind of be over when the first time I had it fall on his head. All right, here you go. I'll go now. No, I can't hit him. Okay. So yeah, okay, it really does nothing. It really does nothing. Okay. So the goal is not to beat him. It's to get these hearts. Now, as I'm collecting hearts, there is a box that's filling up. I have 2 more to go. There's one. Okay, here comes the last one. He's following me. Got it. Finally. Fuck. The fact that I can't jump or nothing. At least we got the level 2. At least we got the level 2. Game over. All right, man. Thank you. Level 2. Damn. We got the level 2. All right. How to play Popeye on the arcade game. You have to collect all the hearts. Don't let the other guy touch you. The hearts are falling. You have to collect enough hearts until the little box over there fills all the way up. If any of the hearts touch the water, I'm not sure what you're supposed to do, but I just know the game is going to end in a couple seconds after that. So you can also start one guy on the level 1 by punching a little blue bag, and then the other the blue bag hits his other whatever and falls on his head. But you got to time all of that correctly. At least he'll stop following you. So, thank goodness, bro. I had to figure that out. We got a lot more games to figure out.